गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट सचिन तेंडुलकराक आमी जवळ 25 वर्सां पेजाद पद्दतीन ड्रायव्ह करतना पळयला ऑन द फील्ड ऑफ क्रिकेट. ताका आज आमी हांगा केप्यां पॅट रोड बडीजाच्या इव्हेंटान ऑफ रोडिंग करतना पळयलो आनी इट वॉज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी अमेझींग मोमेंट टू एक्सपिरियन्स.
I wonder who's on the next set of wheels that is to be
keep the passion alive, keep that kid in you alive, because that is what is really important. And it's not just for off-road driving, generally in life is what I would say. Keep that kid in you alive, stay passionate about whatever you love in life. I think that is really important. And I think with freedom comes responsibility, so drive responsibly, enjoy this moment. I think it's going to be something really spectacular. यहाँ से मैं पहली बार गया तो मुझे भी डर लगा था, but it is fantastic. I mean, you guys are incredible. I can see almost 150 participants here. See, not in India, but I have driven a little bit abroad, so I knew where to keep that momentum going. You know, so suddenly climbing up, you decide to leave the accelerator and then press it hard. It's not the ideal thing to do. You have to feed in power. So that much experience I have. My experience has been fantastic. So I hope that all of you enjoyed as much as I did.